What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today we got a snow day, and what I'm doing today, I'm gonna take this big monster out there. See, can I handle it? And I was on the verge of buying paddle tires and slept on them, and I'm like, man, I wish I'd have bought some. Look like we're gonna have a real winter this year. So far, it's been cold and snowing and cold. But yeah, I want to see how this handles. Just for a little while. Hopefully I don't break nothing. So far I broke 2 cars this winter. 3 cars this winter. No, well, I'll say 2 cars, 3 breaks. But what I'm doing, I'm take this out, see how it handles, which I know how it's gonna handle. I remember that last winter. I'm gonna show you the clip right there. Look. Yeah, that thing was banging last year. I mean, let's see how it handles today. It's like 15 degrees outside. Hopefully it's warmed up a little more than that now. So let's get into it. Yeah, I'm out here now. Got my little beast out here. Look, he's spitting up some snow. Got my cars off. Yeah, but I'm going on a little journey. See if somebody got some salt for me. Man, these gloves are not working for me. They is a little big here. Whoa! Now I gotta do some work. I'm gonna salt my step real quick. Get right back into it. Be right. This thing is a beast. I'm gonna go down this
Yo, check this out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
I'm gonna tell you if this breaks down. I'm gonna be very angry. I got an extra battery, but I don't have nothing for if it breaks. This is one of my favorite trucks, man. I brought 3 trucks out here. All of them broke. All of them broke. This one, I had it out last winter, and the thing is cool. Yeah, this is like my #1 all around street snow. Look at this mother, oh my God. It stuttered for years. Think the ESC got wet in the wrong way somewhere. No, but I think I switched that ESC out though. Running 2 66,000 milliamps 120C batteries. But what I did was What I did was I warmed them up, so I ain't got to worry about messing them up. So much traffic. I can't go straight. Nothing. I cannot hold it. Yeah, she spins out. Boom! Yo, all that was for nothing. I had a nice little whatever. All I know is I blew all of it. I got water in my mouth and still blew it. LVC. Like this kind of weather is hard on the batteries. I'm trying to tell you, it is super hard on the batteries. So I'm a little ways from home and this battery is dead and I'm not carrying it. So I'm gonna change the battery out and there we go, we're dead. Be right back. Yeah, I switched the batteries out, but I'm not gonna run it no more. I'm running these in here, 6600. No, 8000, my bad. I was running the 8000 milliamps, 120C. Where's we at? Where we at? So y'all can see that number, 120C, 8000 milliamps. Thought these were 66. These are 66,100C. But they only two 3S batteries. These are two 4s. And I'm not gonna drive it rough. I'm just gonna take it home because I'm not gonna button nothing down. But I had to get out here and run this real quick. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. More coming soon. And I'm out. GoPro, stop recording.